Welcome to this guide on installing the AMK air suspension compressor for the BMW X5 E70 or the BMW X6 E71. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, so let's walk through the steps to ensure a successful setup. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Next, raise the vehicle and remove the fasteners and paneling under the right side of the vehicle to expose the vehicle's air suspension compressor valve block. Now locate and remove the 3 electrical connectors on the compressor valve block assembly. Locate and remove the 2 air lines leading to the valve block. Next, locate and disconnect the fitting on the larger rubber hose that runs forward from the compressor. Now loosen and remove the hardware holding the brackets for the 4 black tubes running directly underneath the compressor. Locate and remove the 3 nuts holding the compressor assembly to the vehicle. Now remove the compressor assembly from the vehicle and the removal is complete. Install the new AMK compressor in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. The compressor assembly mounting holes are unthreaded. The fasteners being reused are thread forming and will create the threads while installing. Inspect the air springs for any type of cracks or excessive wear. Leaking air springs will cause the compressor to overheat from continuous operation. Thank you for following our guide. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.